Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Captain Patchy. So we'll be making another video, but this time it's gonna be a little different. Instead of a playthrough thing, or not part of the playthrough, we're gonna be doing a quick little item find. It's a really good weapon if you're looking to have be a really good, strong playthrough weapon. I did a build once with it, and it got me all the way to the end. I only recommend that you get your endurance up because it uses quite a bit of your stamina. But let's go about getting it. So you can pretty much get this at any level. It's just you gotta be. Don't mind him. I forgot about him. Um, check out the playthrough. If you're interested in that. Um, we're gonna be going on down here. There's quite a few items around here, but I'm just gonna run past everything because like I said, these are pretty tough skeletons. So you probably just want to run past about everything. I can't remember where exactly everything is. Alright, right here. Yep, and we got Sly-Hander. I'll do it before. We're going to show you how good it can be. Give me a second. I'm going to run out of here so that way I don't get eaten by these skeletons. Because they're quite strong, like I said. They will beat the crap out of me. Okay, yes, I woke up the entire graveyard, so that's not gonna help any. Oh crap. Oh, we nearly screwed up the playthrough just now. Alright, that's not good, that's not good. Alright, so we probably lost them. I'm gonna assume we lost them. Hope we lost them. I can't actually wield Zweihander. So I can't actually show you properly well, but right in the beginning, I should be doing somewhere about like 150, which is actually pretty good because this is a pretty good weapon I've been using. It's the battle axe, and it does about 100. Zweihander could do up to about 500 if you upgrade it properly. So it's a really good weapon if you're looking to have a quick and easy start. Um, you know, get it up enough, you could actually use your shield and be able to parry and stuff like that. Alright, well, that was a quick and easy little item that we found, so if you want to see more walkthroughs, make sure to like and subscribe and check out the channel. And also as well, make sure to check out the playthrough. This is Captain Patchy, and I hope to see you on the 7th.